What's up everybody, Dustin from DC Media, and in this video we're going to be building our new editing and gaming PC rig, and actually it's right there. Alright, so if you guys watched some of our earlier video, you see an NZXT S340 case in the background. Now originally it had a 4790K, a Z97X Fatality motherboard. I had DDR3 obviously. I think at the time it had, I think it had the GTX 1070 in it in some of the videos. I'm not really sure. But we've changed a lot since then. We did upgrade the S340 to the parts that are going into the new build. And then we upgraded some of those parts going into the new build from the S340 to the Fantex case. Now, the Fantex Evolve ATX is what we're putting all this in. And I opted not to use a tempered glass version. Now, I know a lot of you guys are probably going to give me flack for that because I didn't want the new, brightest, newest thing, but I didn't really want it myself. The way it looked with the side panel on it, I couldn't get on board with that one. I love the case. And for the future plans I have for the build, the case is going to work out great. And what I mean by that is we're going to be doing an entire how-to water cool setup utilizing our rig throughout 2017. I'm not sure how all this is going to line out just yet. Excuse me. But we will be doing that in 2017. And what are we going to be water cooling? I can't talk. Water cooling. What are we going to be water cooling? Well, let's go over the parts that are going in the build. First thing we're going to be running is this Core i7 6700K. Pretty standard CPU, pretty much everybody runs, but I didn't want to go too crazy on spending money whenever I knew Intel and Zen, or Ryzen now, was coming out probably January-ish. I'll be at CES this year, so I'll have more information on that later on. And I knew I was going to be upgrading probably some parts of this rig, so I didn't really want to spend too much money, and it's kind of why we got the 6700K. Still a great CPU, probably for what it is, the best crossover CPU that Intel has right now. And then we're pairing that with this, the Sabertooth Z170S. And it's a great motherboard. It's kind of got a little white snow urban camo theme to it. Not a big fan of the camo theme, but I do like the white. I was going to use some the titanium motherboards, but the way the PCIe slots lined up, I didn't really care for how they were lining up, unless I got the X99, which I didn't plan on doing. That's neither here nor there. With that being said, we're running, I don't have it up here, but we're running DDR4 Crucial Ballistics RAM. That will be changed later on. I just wanted to run it, and I kind of wanted to see what it looked like, get some performance bases off of it. To be quite honest, I'm pretty pleased with it. But we'll talk about that when we do the benchmarks portion of this video here coming down the road. And then we're running two GTX 1070 Superclocked editions. Yes, they have the thermal pads on them, blah, blah, blah. No, there's not a thermal issue. No, there never was a thermal issue. But you have to do your research on that. Everybody's got their own viewpoints. That's for another video possibly. But so we're running two of those. We're all running the high band bridge from EVGA. We are cooling the CPU with the X61 because that's what we had before, so we don't have an X62 here just yet. We will reach out to NZXT here before too much longer. And for our lighting purposes, we do have a Hue Plus. And barring what some people have said about that, we've been using it for quite some time, and I actually really like the Hue Plus. It works really well. We also decided, if you've seen our video over power links, obviously we did those. We custom painted the EVGA logo white on these, and you get a little sneak peek of what our build looks like, because that's actually in this case behind us. And then we use the EVGA 850G2 power supply and Cable Mod's custom sleeved white cables that are made for the EVGA G2 series. So to get this started, we're going to show you a D-build of the NZXT S340 case, and then we will jump right into the build of the Fantex Evolve case. And after that, I'll catch you guys on the back side of all this. Alright, so if you guys didn't notice, there was a couple hiccups even in that time lapse. Battery on my camera died, memory cards filled up. I was in the way of the camera a few times, so you couldn't really see what was going on. I filmed this some time ago, before I even did the budget PC build. I'm just now getting to the point to where I was editing it, so I do apologize for all that. But it came out pretty good. I actually like it. The performance is more than expected in some cases and less in others. But we'll get to that whenever we do the overall benchmarking results of this PC. And it is a silver and white theme. So with that being said, we kind of need a name for it. I'm not sure what to call this PC. It's going to be the PC that stays here. It's going to be behind us like it is right there. And it's going to stay there probably for all of our videos unless we change how we're shooting. And it is going to be our main editing and gaming rig for this channel. And all the big upgrades that inevitably we do on this channel will probably be to that rig right there. So it's going to get the water cooling. We'll probably change out to 1080s or Titans or TIs or whatever. Whatever we do changes and upgrades, it'll be to that rig. So we kind of need to get a name for it. And not really sure what to call it yet. So hey, if you guys got some ideas, comment below what to call this thing. Welcome to any and all ideas, and maybe in a few weeks we'll get together and go through all the comments. And if you're on our Twitter account, you'll probably see me posting up either, hey, we got a name, or we need more entries, or I don't know. We'll go with whatever we find. We'll figure it out as we go along. But with that said, guys, thanks for watching the video. There's an entire parts list in the description below with Amazon links. They are affiliate links, so if you guys click them, yes, we do get a little bit of a kickback. No, it's not a lot, but every little bit helps, and we do appreciate that. It's not required that you click on that and buy anything whatsoever, but if you guys choose to, that helps, and we do appreciate that. And you can also go through and look, and I'll put a total of how much this PC costs, or maybe it'll be in the title. I don't know. It's not a budget PC by any means. It's probably a little bit overboard. I probably could have got some different parts for the prices we spent, but it's here and it's using, it's using, that makes no sense. It's here and it's working, and it does really, really well for what we do. And other than that, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for, if you're subscribers and viewers, I appreciate all that. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and consider subscribing. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. But always, guys, definitely try to leave us some comments. Let us know what you guys thinking about our videos, our channel, and if you guys have any ideas moving forward. But with that being said, guys, again, thanks for everything, and I will see you guys in the next video.